Hi everyone, this is Atimala Sai Kumar from Nizamabad. I have completed my intermediate. Currently I am passing DFS course from NIFS Hyderabad. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to work with ITC as a fire safety internship through NIFS placement. Thank you NIFS.
Hi, this is Jayaram. I did my diploma in mechanical. Currently, I am pursuing aspirated course from NIFS Vishakhapatnam. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to work with ITC as a fire and safety internship from NIFS. Thank you, Kalyan sir, and thank you, NIFS team.
Hi, this is Lokesh. I have done DFS course from NIFS Vishakhapatnam. After successful completion of my course, I got an opportunity to work with Dr. Reddy Labs and intern safety training through NIFS placements. Thank you, NIFS.
Hi, this is Ashram. I have done DFS course from NIFS Vishakhapatnam. After successful completion of my course, I got an opportunity to work with Dr. Reddy's Labs as an intern safety through NIFS placement. Thank you, NIFS.
Hi everyone, myself Magidi Pranay Kumar. I have completed my graduation. Currently, I am pursuing ADS course from NIFS Hyderabad. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to work with an ITC as fire safety intern through NIFS placement. Thank you, NIFS.
Hi everyone, this is Sandhana Murali. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my intermediate. Currently, I am pursuing DFS course from NIFS Hyderabad. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to work with ITC as a fire safety intern through NIFS placement. Thank you, NIFS.
Hi, this is M. Bhagwant Reddy. I have completed my intermediate. Currently, I am pursuing DFS course from NIFS Hyderabad. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to with ITC as a fire safety intern through NIFS placement. Thank you, NIFS.
Hi, this is Shivkumar Panda from Vishakhapatnam. I successfully completed my intermediate in ITI. Present, I am studying in NIFS Institute. I chose DHSC course. While doing this course, I got opportunities in Dr. Reddy Laboratories as a safety intern, and I successfully completed this internship in Dr. Reddy Laboratories. Again, I got opportunities in ITC Limited as a fire and safety intern through NIFS. Thank you, NIFS.
Good morning friends, my name is B. Ashwant. I am from Vishakhapatnam. My qualification is intermediate CEC. I am currently DFS course in NIFS Institute and better opportunity in ITC company in fire and safety internship. Thank you NIFS, thank you Kalyan sir.
This is Aswan Aida. I have completed graduation in BSc Chemistry. Currently, I have pursuing aspirated course from NIFS Institute. While doing this course, I got an opportunity to ITC company as in fire and safety internship from NIFS placement. Thank you NIFS. Thank you Kalyan sir.
Hi, I am Sai Karan, Diploma in Chemical Engineering, studying Industrial Safety course in NIFS. Now I got internship as safety training in Coromandel International Limited, Vishakhapatnam. Here we can take responsibilities, and also it is a very good platform to have great work exposure, and it also very future aspects beneficiary too. So I am very privileged to get this opportunity by NIFS in this Coromandel company, and also I am very thanking you to the NIFS team. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sri Suresh. I completed BTech in ECA. Now I am studying Industrial Safety course in NIFS Vishakhapatnam. I got internship as safety training in Coromandel International Limited, Vishakhapatnam by NIFS. Thank you NIFS team for providing this opportunity.